This is the Curewid Pure Ashwagandha root cut and sifted. The brand sent this to me so I can test and do a review, and I'm really excited because I love my ashwagandha root. And so how the instructions are on the bag is to pour 8 ounces of boiling water over this, like about a teaspoon of this, along with any of your other herbs, and steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. I prefer to decoct my roots so then that way I can get as much nutritional value out of it as I can. And so I just wanted to show you the ashwagandha root. And again, it is cut and sifted. This is the 4-ounce size. And how I like to do this is usually take about a teaspoon. And I like to add it into my glass infusing kettle. Top it with some filtered water. Okay, that's about how much I want. And then what I do is I put it on the stove. I do a simmer on this for anywhere between 10 and 20 minutes. Here we have decocted some ashwagandha root. It's cut and sifted. I let this simmer for about 20 minutes and pour over